Hey, hello YouTube. Today is part 3 of our build up on the Smittybult Scout trailer. So today I'm going to switch out the jack that was mounted on there originally. Like I said, it has a very short throw, a little difficult getting on and off. So I actually picked up a different jack that's low profile and has a much better raised lower option. So as you saw last time, here is the Smittybult Scout. You might notice that since the last time you saw it, it maybe looks a little bit more uniform. I have been painting it. It is not a professional paint job by any way, shape, or means, but I think it looks a lot better than it did. So that I was touching up, and I have it jacked up right now, but this is the jack we're going to remove. So the bolt parent I have should work with the new jack I have, which is actually here. And this is the ARC XO 750. It is their black version of it because I wanted to match the trailer. There is dual wheels for this, which I'm going to have to put on. And then you can see that we have the mounting jack area, so that should work with what I have. At least I'm hoping. So follow along as we get to the next step and we'll see how this goes. So this is the plate from the new jack stand. As you can see, it's got wide holes. I just lined it up. It should work fine for this. So we're just going to get the hardware, remove this, and we should be good to go for next steps. Last but not least, there we go. So let's see what we have. I just put the handle on. I'll give it a shot. Perfect. So it's definitely going to have a lot more throw than the jack that was on there. So that's going to be handy. It's also going to be handy getting back on the Jeep, because that was my issue before, is the throw was just too short, and when I put it on the Jeep, I couldn't release the jack. So this is definitely going to be a great upgrade. So again, I will put a link in to the company that makes this, ARC. They make some high quality stuff for trailering, and you might want to check them out. So that's going to be our episode for today. I again thank you for stopping by. I know this is a quick one, but I just wanted to try to get something done. I am actually going to go out and relax a little bit tonight. Probably going to go to a thing called Elk Rib Fest out in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. So it starts this evening, goes through the weekend, so I thought I'd take advantage of it and maybe go out and enjoy that for a bit. You guys have a great day. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.